Windows is a great operating system in which you can handle many tasks in few minutes, but sometimes due to a bug in operating system, you will see an error code of 0xc0000225. This error code comes when no boot file is detected on your system. Don't worry, because in this video, we'll show you how to fix this issue using 6 ways. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. If you're not able to boot your Windows system and getting error code 0xc0000225, first thing you should do is to use the Automatic Startup Repair tool. This tool is very handy to fix all the issues. Simply turn on the laptop and press the F8 key on your keyboard before the Windows logo icon appear. This will open the option menu screen. Select Troubleshoot and navigate to Advanced option to begin. In the Advanced option screen, simply select the first option, Startup Repair, and click on Next to start the Windows Automatic Startup Repair process. After a few minutes, your Windows will automatically boot and takes you to login page. If this method won't help you, then you should use other alternatives methods. Command Prompt is a command line interface program. It can be used to execute entered commands and perform advanced administrative functions. Using it, you can fix errors like blue screens, black screen, Windows is not booting, etc. Now let's see how to use Command Prompt to fix this issue. Simply open Option menu window as previously we opened. In the Boot Troubleshoot menu, select Troubleshoot, Advanced option, and finally select Command Prompt. Now you have to type 3 following commands step by step to fix booting issue. First, type bootrec/rebuild and hit enter. Now type the second command bootrec/fixmbr and hit enter. Now type this command bootrec/fixboot and press enter. Restart your system and check error code 0xc0000225 is fixed or not. Apart from rebuildbcd command, you can also try System File Checker SFC tool to identify and fix any corrupted files in the system. Simply type sfc/scanO in the command prompt window and hit enter. Now it will fix all the corrupted files. That's it. The active partition is the main partition on your hard drive that stores the booting files for the operating system. You can set only one active partition in hard drive. When that partition suddenly goes to inactive state, then this type of error code 0xc0000225 occurs. In such cases, you can mark partition as active using Command Prompt with the help of Windows Recovery Environment option menu screen. Open Command Prompt window using option menu. After opening Command Prompt window, you have to type following command. Type disk part and hit enter. Now type list disk and hit enter. Select the desired disk by typing select disk hash and type list partition. Now again select the desired partition volume using select volume hash command. Where hash is the number of partition and disk, make sure to replace it with your disk letter. After selection of partition, finally type final command active and press enter. Now exit the command prompt and restart your system. System Restore is a Windows built-in tool to restore the system in certain time, and it using a backup you created earlier. Using it, you can easily fix the error code 0xc0000225. Simply open Windows option menu using Shift plus power key and choose Troubleshoot option. In the next screen, choose Advanced option and select System Restore. After opening System Restore interface, click on Next and then choose desired restore point or a different restore point using date and time. Click the Finish button and follow on-screen instruction to perform System Restore. This method will only work if you have created System Restore point earlier, so if you don't have any restore point, then you can choose this method. If you're facing issue in Windows regularly, then it's good choice to reset PC using Reset This PC option. Resetting Windows will definitely help you to fix this issue. While resetting Windows, it will keep all the personal files and delete all the app, installed software, etc. Open Reset This PC option using option menu in Troubleshoot section. Select Reset This PC and click on Next and follow the on-screen instruction to reset your PC. You can choose to keep or delete your files while resetting. Let the reset finish and then restart your PC. 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius is all-in-one Windows repair tool that can help you to fix many errors such as Windows blue/black screen, can able to boot the computers, reset Windows, resetting local and domain password, recover data from unbootable hard disk, and manage your partition. Now let's see how to repair error code 0xc0000225 in Windows using 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius. To repair Windows, you need to download and install 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius. Launch the program and connect USB pen drive to the computer. After that, click on Create Boot Disk. Now to start burning bootable repair disk. On the next Windows, choose desired operating system and boot disk and click on Next button. Now, wait for 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius to download file and make sure the internet connection is working in good speed. After creating the boot disk, go to Stuck Windows Computer to start booting. Insert the bootable USB drive to the system in which you are getting error code and turn on the system using power key. Now press and hold the boot key boot from pen drive. In the next screen, select boot drive and hit enter. Now 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius will open Windows Rescue. It can fix all booting issue including blue screen of death, black screen of death, freezes and crashes, recover missing boot, and restore crashed MBR, corrupt registry, etc. Now click Automated Repair under Smart System Repair to proceed. After that, you have to choose default Windows installation disk that is showing error 0xc0000225. Simply select it and click on Start Repair. After the repairing process, now you can restart your system to check whether it's working or not. That's how you can use Windows Rescue feature to fix all the issues in Windows operating system. Hopefully, you are able to fix error code 0xc0000225 using above methods. To fix many errors such as Windows blue/black screen, can able to boot the computers, reset Windows, resetting local and domain password, recover data from unbootable hard disk, and manage your partition. We strongly recommend to use 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius. Subscribe to our channel if you want more useful tips. See you next time.